Marketing plan. Good morning. In this session, we are going to know about the marketing plan. Marketing plan of DXN explains you about the calculation of commissions paid to you on completing minimum criteria. PV. PV is the point value of the product. List of PV is given in the order form which is available in the branches, stock points and also in our website. Used for the qualification of bonus and status. SV, the sales value of the product, used for calculation of bonus and incentives. PPV, PSV, personal point value, sales value. The total PV and ASV generated from all the personal purchase cash bill transacted in this month. Personal group point value, the sales value, the PGSV and the PGPV. The total PV and the SV generated in a month by all your downlines in your personal group, which is excluding your group under QSA, that is PPV and the PPV of your non-QSA downlines. Diamond group point value and the diamond group sales value, the DGPV and the DGSV. Total PV and the SV generated in a month by all your downlines in your diamond group, which is excluding your group under the QSDs. Qualified Star Agent QSA. Any SA who maintains 1000 PPV and 3000 PGPV in a month is a qualified star agent. The qualified star diamond, the QSD. Any diamond who qualifies 37% of the star group bonus is a QSD. The travel seminar qualifier. Any SA and above who meets the early travel seminar incentive point, the SIP quota set for the year is a travel seminar qualifier. Star agent, the SA. The member who achieves accumulated group PV of 45,000 PV is a star agent, a star ruby. A member who has 3 first generation star agents are star ruby. The star diamond. A member with 6 first generation star agents and qualify for 37% star group bonus is a star diamond. Your status increases after this when every diamond line increases under you from 1 to 20. Your status increases as Executive Star Diamond, Senior Star Diamond, Executive Senior Star Diamond, Double Diamond, Executive Double Diamond, Triple Diamond, Executive Triple Diamond, the Gold Diamond, Executive Gold Diamond, Crown Diamond, Executive Crown Diamond, Senior Crown Diamond, Executive Senior Crown Diamond, Double Crown Diamond, Executive Double Crown Diamond, Triple Crown Diamond, Executive Triple Crown Diamond, Gold Crown Diamond, Executive Gold Crown Diamond and the Crown Ambassador. Up to 20 star diamonds under you. Remuneration, the components of bonus. The retail profit up to 25%. The bonus 71% and cash incentives. The group bonus is 6 to 21%. Star group bonus is 25 to 37%. Development bonus up to 15%. International profit sharing 2%. Leadership bonus 15%. Travel seminar incentive 2%. One-time hand phone cash incentive rupees 12,500. One-time overseas trip cash incentive rupees 1 lakh. Group bonus. To be eligible for group bonus, you should maintain 1000 ppv every month. The group bonus is 6 to 21% based on your accumulated PV. The PV is done from the day of joining till date by yourself and all your downlines is totaled up and it is called the accumulated PV. Till you reach the status of star agent, that is 45,000 accumulated PV, the bonus will be calculated based on the accumulated PV in your account. The personal bonus is calculated based on the accumulated PV and the slab of your bonus as shown in the table. Overriding bonus from your downline is calculated from the personal bonus slab minus the downline's personal bonus slab. That is, if you are in 21% bonus slab, you will be paid 21% of your personal purchase. If your downline is in 15%, you will be paid 21 minus 6, which is 6% from the PV of your downline. When you are a star agent, you will be getting the star group bonus, which is 25 to 37% based on your monthly performance, which is shown in the table as below. Development bonus. When you develop star agents under you, you will be entitled to get development bonus. To be eligible for development bonus, you should do 3000 PGPV every month. You will be getting 5 to 1% from the 5th level to the 1st level star agents till the 5th generation. Leadership bonus. If you are a qualified star diamond, you will be entitled to get leadership bonus from all your downline star diamonds, which is 5% from all the diamonds DGSV in your first level and 0 to 10% from the first level till you reach the same qualification. To be eligible for the leadership bonus, you should be qualified QSD, which means you should have completed 25,000 DGPV with 4 star agents or 50,000 DGPV with minimum DGSV generated as shown in the table. Travel Seminar Incentive 2%. The travel seminar is used by the qualifiers for travel seminar organized by the company. Travel Seminar Incentive Fund is equal to the company's annual sales value in SV into 2%. 50% of the TSIP fund will be shared among all star agents and above for the yearly TSIP quota set for the year. 50% of the TSI fund will be shared among all star diamonds and above for the yearly TSIP fund of the year. The TSI SA qualifier. The TSI SA qualifier is equal to 50% TSI fund into accumulated TSI of star agent qualifier divided by the total accumulated TSI for all the star agent qualifiers. Accumulated travel seminar point of each is calculated monthly from the personal PGSV and the PGSV from the 1st to the 5th generation. Travel Seminar Incentive of the Star Diamonds. Travel Seminar Incentive TSISD is equal to 50% into TSI fund into accumulated TSIP for Star Diamond qualifier divided by the total accumulated TSI for all SD qualifiers. The TSI points will be calculated monthly based on the following formula as per shown in the table. Handphone incentive is a one-time incentive given to the Star Ruby to reward them when 3 immediate star agents accumulated PV of 60,000 under them with the direct sponsor. They are eligible for this handphone incentive, which is rupees 12,500. of 1 lakh. This is one-time incentive given to the members whose immediate 5 downlines in the first generation receive hand phone incentive. You are eligible for 1 lakh overseas trip. Thank you for watching Marketing Plan Orientation. See you at the top.